Good afternoon everybody, Christopher from All Things Prepping. Currently doing a bit of a camping trip. We are in a place called Magaliesberg Sleepy River Caravan Park. We're going to be calling it home for the next 3 days and really looking forward to it. I hope you enjoy the trip with us as much as we are going to plan on enjoying it. Just having a quick look at our setup that we've currently got. As you can see there, Alma is, and there goes the hi-fi as well. We're sitting in the lounge over there on the two-seater bunk. We've got a sleeping quarters over there, and then the fancy sleeping quarters over here with the 2 hammocks right next to each other, or in tandem. And then we've got the fireplace that we've made ready for use, and some kindling that I've already gathered. And then finally, just to show that we are glamping this weekend or this week, we've got a small little bar fridge with non-alcoholic beverages in it. So that's the setup for this trip. Yeah, so with the fluffing all done, I'm ready to engage in the lighting of this thing. With my luck, after having made such a bold statement as you're not being able to make a fire, I might end up not being able to do it. But yeah, let's go. Here we go. There we go. Strike number 555. And as you can see, it's burning quite nicely. So all I need now is to just stack my small tinder on it and get this party started. Yeah, so today we're starting a very basic breakfast or brunch. We're gonna use some 2-minute noodles and some Bull Brand savory mince in a pot, and I've already boiled the water. The water is ready to go, and yeah, let's mix everything together and see what happens. It shouldn't be too bad. I think we will be able to survive, so let's do it. With grace being said, time to dig in. After every meal, there's some chores to be done as well. Cleaning up, probably one of them, and Alma is enjoying herself. I am sure she's enjoying herself. Are you enjoying yourself? Okay, daai was 'n kopknip. She's enjoying herself. With not having running water, we have to get water from the tap, and then for warm water we have to boil it. Fortunately, during the preparation of the food, we had some boiled water left and we used that. So yeah, camping is not for sissies. You have to be rugged and rough. Yeah, as you can see on the menu tonight is some ox liver, some wors, and 2 little braaibroodjies. So that's what we're looking forward to having. Elma is going to prepare the honey and mustard, honey and, where do I get the honey vandaan? the mustard and condensed milk shortly, and I'll just give you a look at that as well. And there we go, our honey, mustard and condensed milk mixture on our wooden table. It is time to dig in, just to check that it is right. A little bit overcooked, but nice, not too shabby old nice. And then all I need to do is just to dig it in there, make sure that it has got enough sauce on it, and then let's go. In Afrikaans we say, dit proe soos nog. Thank you for watching. Yeah, it's definitely time to turn the Bush TV on. There's always something good on any channel that you watch. So yeah, let's just enjoy it. That's just one of the young ones that's in the area. They are keeping, this one is keeping an eye on Militia, while Militia is keeping an eye on it. And yeah, just be aware of it. Make sure that all your food is locked up, because they do have a tendency to make a lot of damage, or cause a lot of damage when they get into your tents. At Badplaas we were raided 2 times, and they stole all the bread, fruit, anything they can, and even a packet of chips, whatever they can get their hands on, they will take it and destroy it. So be careful of these little critters. Don't feed them, because as soon as you start feeding them, they will come back. So it's very important to not feed them, and get just to keep them at bay. They are dangerous, they can bite, so it's a good idea just to be careful of these critters. As you can see, Militia is keeping an eye on our little invader troop, just making sure that they don't get too close to us, and though they don't cause any damage. So she is on baboon patrol, or monkey patrol. She will sort them out, and I've got full trust in her. So the first challenge that we've got is that we forgot to bring oil. So we don't have oil to start the process, so we're just going to do it the other way around, and we're going to start off with the mealies and then add the eggs to it and see how that works out. So let's get into it. Yeah, so grace was said, and it's now time to forgive the chef for what he has done, and dig into it. As I always say, that if you want to taste food, or to want to know if food is good, you have to, the proof is in the pudding, and we have to eat. So let's take a like it's made at home, only much better. Yeah, so as you can see, there's no YouTube or TV magic or anything like that. This is the real thing. Here we go. Let's check out the results. And there we go, ready for the next meal. One of the things that I absolutely love about camping here is that I am allowed to make fire on the ground, and then by just using a fire ring or a fire circle, I can make fire right there and then. Being an old school guy, there's nothing that beats this. the last of our meat that we brought for this trip. Looking forward to having that with some buns, and then it will be the end of day 3. Yeah, so we've come to the end of our camping trip here at Sleepy River. It's day 3, or the end of day 3. Tomorrow morning we're just gonna pack up, and then the end of our visit here at Sleepy River. But in the meantime, we've still got some serious braaiing to do, and yeah, we're still gonna enjoy it. Yeah, and just like that, our days at Sleepy River has come to an end. Campsite has been evacuated back to normal, as fairly as normal can be. Fire has been put out to make sure that there's no problems there, and that's it. So with that said and done, thank you. Yeah, like I said, thank you for watching. Thank you for enjoying the trip as much as we did. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it as much. And then until the next one, keep on prepping.